Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my omelette. So first off, I heat up the pan and then put some butter in and let it melt and okay, so you can see the butter has melted. Okay, and in spare time I've actually chopped up some ham and surimi. Okay, so I'm going to add it all in. Okay, and just let it cook for a while. Okay, right now I'll add the mushrooms. Again, I'll let it cook for a while. Okay, here I have the eggs. I'll scramble it. There's a bit of milk. Just make it a bit smoother. Okay, so you beat it until you see a lot of bubbles. Okay, this looks about right. You see all the bubbles at the top. So there's 3 eggs in there. So right now I'm going to add it in. Let me stir fry this a little bit. Okay, so you see the ham getting a bit charred on the edges. Okay, let everything warm up a little bit. Okay. You can see the mushrooms are all getting cooked. So this is about the time that you can add in the omelette, the eggs. Okay, everything in, nicely spread out. Okay, and we shall let it cook for a while. Okay, here on you can see I've added cheese. So now I need to just cut it up a little bit. Just make sure the eggs are evenly cooked. So I'll just portion it. Okay, portion here. Okay. Okay. And then we go back to waiting again. Right now we'll attempt to flip the quarter portion of the egg over. Okay, it's not really sliced out properly. Let's do it again. Okay, so we got to flip this over. Okay. Okay, just make sure everything sits in nicely. Okay, and this side as well. Okay, so what's happening here is we'll let the heat slowly cook the rest of the runny eggs, and also let it melt the cheese. Okay, again you have to let it sit for a while. Here you can see everything is being cooked. You can see the cheese melting. Okay, I like it semi-cooked, so I'm gonna take this out now. Okay, that's a fail. Okay. Okay, so this is the second portion of the eggs. Just slide out. melting cheese. Okay, and the goodness. And some pepper. And some mayo, that's how I like it. Okay, and there you have it. Hope you liked the video. Okay, and this is the wholesome breakfast that I have. Okay, enjoy everybody. Please come back for more content. Thank you very much. Bye.